Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. We're diving into an exciting topic, how artificial intelligence is transforming cybersecurity. Specifically, we're going to explore AI-driven threat detection and response. Whether it's malware, phishing, or ransomware, cyber threats are more advanced than ever. But AI is proving to be a game changer, offering speed and precision that was previously unimaginable. Over the next 6 minutes, we'll discuss how AI-powered tools detect threats in real time and showcase solutions like Endpoint Detection and Response, EDR, and Extended Detection and Response, XDR. Let's get started. Let's start with a question. Why is AI so essential in cybersecurity today? The answer lies in the sheer volume and complexity of modern threats. Cybercriminals are relentless, launching attacks every second of every day. It's estimated that by the time you finish watching this video, there will have been hundreds, if not thousands, of attempted cyber attacks globally. Traditional cybersecurity tools rely heavily on predefined rules and manual interventions. For instance, a firewall might block specific ports or IP addresses based on a list. While effective to a degree, these tools can't adapt quickly to new or evolving threats. AI, on the other hand, learns and adapts. Consider ransomware. A traditional tool might recognize a specific ransomware strain based on its signature, but what happens when attackers slightly modify the code? Traditional tools fail. AI, however, looks at behavior, like a program encrypting large numbers of files rapidly, and can flag it as malicious, even if it's a brand new variant. Now let's break down how AI actually detects threats. There are 3 key techniques AI uses: pattern recognition, anomaly detection, and threat intelligence integration. Let me explain each one in more detail. Pattern recognition. This is like teaching AI to recognize the fingerprints of various cyber attacks. For example, AI learns that malware often tries to disguise itself as legitimate software by imitating file names or processes. It remembers these tricks and flags them the next time they appear. But pattern recognition doesn't stop at known threats. AI constantly updates its database with new attack patterns, staying ahead of the curve. This is particularly important for combating phishing. AI analyzes email content, sender information, and links to identify suspicious messages, even if the specific attack is new. Anomaly detection. This is where AI really shines. Instead of relying on known patterns, it creates a baseline of normal activity for your system. For instance, it knows that an employee typically logs in from their office in New York. If someone suddenly logs in with those credentials from a country halfway across the world, AI recognizes this as unusual and raises an alert. Let me give you another example. Say a system suddenly starts sending out massive amounts of data to an unknown server. Even if this activity doesn't match a known attack pattern, AI identifies it as suspicious because it deviates from normal behavior. Threat intelligence integration. AI tools are not working in isolation. They integrate with global threat intelligence feeds, which are constantly updated with information on the latest cyber threats. This allows AI to recognize and defend against even the most cutting-edge attack techniques. With these techniques, AI acts like a digital detective, piecing together clues to identify and stop threats before they can cause harm. Think about it. Instead of waiting for an alert from a user or a delayed scan, AI is actively hunting for threats around the clock. Now let's talk about 2 tools that show the real power of AI: Endpoint Detection and Response, EDR, and Extended Detection and Response, XDR. EDR focuses on individual devices like laptops, desktops, and servers. It uses AI to monitor these endpoints for unusual activity, such as a file that suddenly starts encrypting everything, classic ransomware behavior. The best part, EDR doesn't just detect the threat, it isolates the affected device to prevent the attack from spreading. XDR, on the other hand, looks at the bigger picture. It connects data from multiple sources: endpoints, networks, cloud environments, and emails. AI analyzes all this information to detect more complex attacks. Let me give you an example. Imagine a phishing email tricks an employee into giving up their credentials. The attacker uses those credentials to log in, install malware, and exfiltrate sensitive data. With traditional tools, these actions might be seen as separate events. But with XDR, AI pieces together the puzzle, recognizing this as a coordinated attack. It then takes action, like disabling the compromised account and blocking the malware. So, why does this matter? The real-world benefits of AI-driven threat detection and response are immense. First, speed. In the past, a threat might sit undetected for weeks, quietly gathering data or causing damage. AI changes that by detecting and responding to threats in seconds. Second, accuracy. False positives have always been a headache for security teams. AI minimizes this by learning to differentiate between genuine threats and harmless anomalies. Finally, efficiency. Security teams often deal with thousands of alerts every day. AI automates the analysis, prioritizing the most critical threats and allowing human experts to focus on strategic tasks. As cyber attacks grow more complex, our defenses must evolve too. AI-driven tools like EDR and XDR are not just a luxury. They're becoming essential for organizations of all sizes. These tools offer speed, accuracy, and scalability, making them invaluable in the fight against cybercrime. If you're thinking about incorporating AI into your cybersecurity strategy, I encourage you to start exploring tools that integrate EDR and XDR capabilities. They're practical, effective, and can make a real difference in protecting your organization. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video insightful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts on how AI is shaping the future of cybersecurity. Until next time, stay secure.